Hi friends, welcome back to this tutorial series. This is part 26 of this series, and in this part we will be working on designing the admin panel, and we'll also install the required dependencies. But before we move ahead, I would request you to make sure that you like the video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for regular updates. With that being said, let's move on to the actual coding stuff. So this is where we left off in the previous video. We uh, used the bootstrap template, the SB admin bootstrap template, to kind of lay out our website like this, and we also uh, added the required routes. So in this part, let's quickly clean up this side menu here, okay, and we'll also install the dependencies. So the major dependencies that we require are here. So first of all, we need the tiny MCE editor for creating our post content. And apart from this, you would need this prime ng library for the UI piece, and also the prime flex package, which will help you to lay out your components using Flexbox. So let's start. So if you go to Tiny Docs, this is the URL. You will find all these URLs in the description of this video. Make sure you check that. And you also need a free API key. Okay, so you can click here and get your free API key. I already have one for myself. I will be using that. So to install the package, you need to copy the code from here and paste it in your IDE terminal. Make sure you're in your Angular project here, okay, not the backend one, and simply paste it like this. So this should install the tiny MCE package in your project. Also, let's go back and copy these two lines. So you make sure you copy both of them. You need the prime ng as well as the icons. Okay, so save, and give it a sec. It should be done. There we go. Save. And the last one is my prime flex. I'll copy the code and I'll paste it here. So once that is done, let's focus on the cleanup part. So our home component that we have here, okay, so that has all the sidebar stuff, I believe. Let's see. This is my header, then I have my main component. Okay, my main component has it, right? Okay, perfect. So I don't need all these side menu. Okay, so what I will do, I'll start removing everything or refactoring it. Let's see what we have here. We have chart tables. We don't want that at all. So we don't want the charts and the tables. I'll remove this whole div from here, the add-ons div. Let's save. What happened? Did I miss any div here? Let's see. In the backend. Okay, it says nav. Okay, let's undo it. So this div. Okay, so this one is ending here. I don't want. Okay. Save. Should be gone now. Wonderful. And now in the in this collapse section, which is this one, I have pages, authentication error, and layouts. Okay. So this is my view site. If you click here, I'll go to my front end. Okay. And I need to change this icon here. So there are so many icons available within the prime ng library. You can go to the icon sections, prime icons. Okay. I'll get the whole list. Okay, you can use the prime icons library to see what all icons are available. Okay, these are all the icons. So let's go back to the code, and the icon I want here. So for view site, I'm using the default one because I copied the same code, but I don't need this. Instead, I will be using the PI icons, the prime icons. So it starts with PI, then the icon name. PI, I'll be using globe. Okay, so let's see. Fresh, it doesn't show here. Okay, I know why, because we haven't included the required modules in our app module. Okay, so here, as you can see, we'll just minimize this. In the import section, we have the imports array as almost empty. Okay, so let's import the required modules from the PrimeNG package. What are all we require? Okay, let's first import the HTTP client module that will be used by our API service. Next, we need a table module, have view module, and you need to import every module individually so that you don't put unnecessary modules here. You will only import those which you will be using. Text area module, it will not consume the memory unnecessarily. So also I'll use the progress bar module, the toast module for toast notifications, and the forms module. This is the Angular forms module, button module, and editor module. This is from tiny MCE. Okay, so once you have done this, let's see, I have so many modules here. Let's see if we get the icon. Fresh, fail to compile. Let's see what it is there. Cannot find CDK scrolling. I think we are missing the Angular CDK. Let's see here. Go back. Okay, you also need to import the styles here. Okay, and I think we are Angular animations. It should be there. Let's see, Angular animations in our package.json. Angular animations is there. All right. Okay, let's go back to the style sheet. Where is my style.css? Let's see if I can use the use @use method here. Prime, this is from where I'll put it here as a reference. Prime icons, prime icons.css. Then you have PrimeNG, resources, themes, Saga Blue themes, resources, and prime.css. Let's save and see. This is failing. Let me restart the backend. I think I need to install the Angular CDK. I think so. CDK doesn't say anywhere. Let's see. So cannot find module this. It should not be the case actually. Anyways, let's install the CDK. This should be simple npa install @angular cdk. Okay, hit enter. Come on, come on. Okay, it's added now. Let's restart the server. While it's compiling, let's see our backend. Okay, it's all gone. So now you should see that icon there. Okay. Okay, it says cannot find style sheet to import. All right, I think I have to go back to my angular.json file and update it there. All right, never mind. So this is my angular.json here. And let me just check what I did in my actual code. So for the backend, yeah, yes, I did that. So this is my backend section. So I'll go here under the styles. I'll copy the style file or the style sheets here and paste it there. And I think that should be it. Save and run it again. This happens sometimes, guys, so need not to worry. And this is how you will learn how to troubleshoot issues. So hopefully this should be working now. Okay, yeah, it's got compiled, and I go back here and I can refresh. I see the globe icon now. Perfect. So make sure you import the style sheets, otherwise the icons, everything, or the other things will not work. So let's close the footer. Let's go back to main component. So we were working on the main component, and next to this we have interface. Okay, and then we have this section. We'll name it posts. Okay, let's save it. Posts. Okay, we'll have three buttons or anchor tags here. So one will be show all posts, then will be create post and categories. So let's go here, and I will rename these. Will be show all posts. This is my second one. That will be my create new post, and the last one will be categories. And I'll remove all these hrefs from here. I don't need them. Instead, I will be using router link. So router link, this will go to posts, and this will go to post create, and the last one will go to post categories. Let's just double check our routing here. So we have posts, post categories, post create, and that's it. Where is my main component? Yeah, that's all. I don't need these things. I don't need this whole div. I don't need that. Yeah, I thought so. I deleted an extra div there. Perfect. So I have my post, show all post. This says posts work, create new posts work, and categories. So categories work. Go to dashboard, it'll redirect you to the post page. That's my default page. And if you click this, it should take you to the home page, or the front end rather. So this is pretty much all about it, and in the next part we'll continue working on the on the designing of this backend section, starting with the show all posts, and then we'll work on the create new post. So in the create new post, we will use the tiny MCE editor to store our content, and we'll also see how we can use inline editing in the form fields when we are modifying the categories. Okay, so stay tuned with me, and I hope you liked it. If you have any suggestions or comments, please make sure you put those in the comment section below. Make sure you hit the like button, and share this video and the tutorial series with your friends and colleagues so that it will help them as well. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, please take care of yourself and keep learning. Thank you and goodbye.